Hello world and hello internet. Good day YouTubers. Welcome to the adventures of Aya.
We're making a vlog.
Because of COVID-19, families have been forced to stay at home and stay together every day. Parents started to work at home, eat together with kids, and were given time to observe and understand their kids better. Kids, to kill time, started to do a lot of things and had more time to do things they like and discover activities that they didn't know before. However, after 2 months of being contained at home, the challenge is how to keep the children amused, entertained and learned. This was particularly the case with our kids. Our kids started to learn how to make origami, reading, cooking, doing regular house chores, play guitar, sing with instruments, playing video and board games, and even checking out basic coding. But what they love the most is watching YouTube videos, Crusoe, the Datchund, and Minecraft game blogging. Still, they have lull times which they call as boredom hours. In an attempt to address this concern and continue the learning of the kids while they are confined at home, the Adventures of Aya will provide children-level infotainment. The objective is to provide children with entertaining and educational content.
What is compost for?
The chickens to eat. They
even eat the harmful insects.
Entertaining because this will be based on how children see basic daily activities in the farm and in the house.
Everybody get more seeds.
Get more seeds.
Educational because it will try to explain basic scientific or creative process of certain activities.
Please consider subscribing the Adventures of Aya if you're having fun.
You just put them after putting the sauce.
Yumi? Yeah. We need to harvest more of that para spread out.
After na pa.
you
Give Jenny all.
Wait, give the log to her.
Thank
Because it's so small.
It's log. It's log.